What is going on, guys? Paul James here, and today we are back for the first time in like I think 6 months at my Airbnb property behind me here, and I have not seen this thing since we left it 5 or 6 months ago. So I'm really excited, well, kind of nervous to be honest with you, to go in and see what we're looking at. Is there any damage? What do things look like? Does it look the way I left it? I'm sure there's gonna be some things that pop up, but anyways, we're gonna go in, we're gonna check it out. Before we do that, I'm gonna actually go check out this pond over here and see if the alligators are still in there. So as you guys know, this is my property. We rented a short-term rental property in Florida here, and I haven't been here since I left in May, I think, for Wisconsin. So yeah, I'm back, and I'm kind of nervous to see what it looks like because we have had renters in there, and now it's empty, and we decided we'd come down here, check it out, do a little vacation, get away. It's starting to get cold, so it's a good time to come back. And there's a couple things we want to do, and there might be some work we have to do on the property as well. You guys are probably wondering why I've been away from YouTube for so long. I might explain that in this video, otherwise I'll make another video on that. Anyways, let's see what kind of wildlife we can find. There's usually alligators in here, but I haven't seen them when I pulled up. So I don't know if they're still here or if they're gone. You can see the sign there. But yeah, we saw some in there. I don't know. I think they're gone. All right, let's head back and let's go inside and check it out. So one thing that was missing was one of these placemats that we had set up here on our island, and we loaded in our stuff. But yeah, one of these placemats are missing, so that's one thing we noticed right away. The living room and kitchen, mostly good. This table was moved, was in the center. Maybe someone thought it was a trip hazard, but they moved that. Now let's go take a look upstairs. So these are where most of the bedrooms are. There's one downstairs, but let's check this out. Oh no. So we're gonna have to fix that. We put up this brick wallpaper. This is for the Harry Potter room. We put this up to make it kind of look like the train station. Someone left a cross. Someone didn't take too kindly to the Harry Potter room. I don't know. I mean, it's advertised in the listing. Maybe they got spooked out by it, but yeah, this is gonna be a project. So we're here probably for a month, maybe 3 weeks, I don't know. That's gonna be definitely priority on our list. Everything else in this room though, I mean, it's not bad. Let's see what we got in the bathroom here. I don't know if you can see that. There was a towel holder there. So that got ripped out. I'm gonna have to fix that. All right, let's head in here. Some minor stuff on the dresser. I mean, to be expected. This is the kids' room, so kind of to be expected. We wanted to sleep as many people as possible, so we put 2 bunk beds in this room. So that sleeps 4 kids, and it's 2 in that room, which could sleep adults too, but we did aim it towards kids with the Harry Potter theme. So yeah, so far we've got placemat. We've got the dresser, we've got the wallpaper, and the towel holder in the Harry Potter room. So we got 4 things now that I can see so far. I mean, it could be worse. Let's check out the Queen suite. Everything is looking pretty good in here. Pretty good so far. Like it should. You can see we have housekeeping comes and they set everything up. So that's nice, we don't have to worry about that. It's kind of weird that there's some stuff disappeared. So when we arrived, basically loaded in our stuff. Our room is right here. Check this out. The lock on the room is totally damaged. So what happened was, when we got here, I realized that I forgot the keys to the bedroom, to our room that we sleep in. Stupid! So I left the keys back home. We drove all the way down here. You probably saw the car in the driveway. So we drove all the way down here and realized that I forgot the keys back at home. We had to call a locksmith out. They could not pick this lock because it's a special type of lock that can't be picked. and they couldn't get it open just no matter what. So I guess that's a good thing for people who stay in the house. Our stuff is locked up really good, but we had to break the lock. So that's the 5th thing on our list of things that we have a problem with that are gonna need to be fixed. So that's not cool. I installed it myself. Not a big deal, I guess, but still kind of a pain in the butt. Had to hire a locksmith to come out. I mean, it's not really a problem with the house. It's more so my bad, my mistake. I mean, everything else it's looking pretty good, set up, and I mean, it could be worse. You know, these are short-term rentals. People are renting them for a week or 2 at a time while they're on vacation at Disney World or Universal Studios, and then they're gone, they're off. So could definitely be worse. Let's take a look at how everything held up outside of the house. So yeah, everything looks pretty good out here. A little bit dirty. Probably clean that off a little bit, but I mean, other than that, looks like some people left behind some pool toys. Some of those are ours, but most of them aren't, and the goggles aren't. So we'll take a look at that stuff. But yeah, anyways, I wanted to just shoot this quick video as kind of a reaction to what you might expect if you decide to do a rental property. Let me take a seat here. For those of you who don't know, we bought this house in February of this year, at the beginning of the year, and we bought the house sight unseen. So we hadn't actually seen it in person. We basically called up our realtor, who we've worked with. We hadn't bought a house with them, but we worked with them looking at houses because we knew we wanted to buy something here. And they FaceTimed us through the property, and we looked everything over. We had seen models of this community because this home is basically brand new, and we had seen other models of homes around here. But yeah, so she FaceTimed us through the house, and we liked what we saw. We bought the house sight unseen, wired them down money, and yeah, here we are. So we came down, we spent about 3 months down here then furnishing this entire place. And as you can see, we did a lot of bedrooms. There's 1, 2, 4 bedrooms, minusing our bedroom, so technically 5, which we don't rent out our bedroom. As you saw, I broke the lock. The locksmith broke the lock because I forgot the keys. But there's 4 bedrooms, and we've got a lot of beds, so we're renting it out on a per night basis. So think of this kind of like a hotel. If you were taking a vacation and you rented a hotel, you basically pay on a per night basis. Well, we rent out basically to families who are going to Disney World, Universal, you know, those attractions in the Orlando, Florida area. So we rent out on a per night basis. And what we do is we list the house on websites like Airbnb, for example, these short-term rental sites, and then they book. We do a 5-night minimum so that we know we're getting people who are not like throwing house parties. They're like really coming on vacation. It's usually families with their kids, and they have their own private pool, as you can see. And we also have a resort and water park and stuff here as well, which is pretty cool. So there's a lot to do here, and that allows us to, you know, basically charge on a per night basis, and they come down here. So this is basically the state that the house was left in after, you know, we've had guests check in, and it was pretty nerve-wracking, not only buying the house, not seeing it, but then we came down and furnished it all. We did this all ourselves. And then we left and went back home for 5 or 6 months, and yeah, we were just, this is what it was left at. So all in all, I mean, it could be worse. We're definitely going to have some work to do, but yeah, if you're thinking about getting into this type of thing, now you know kind of what to expect if you decide to do that. I made another video. I'll drop a link to it in the description so you can check that out on, you know, kind of what the income is on these things and what you can expect. We haven't had any rentals this month, and obviously we're here now, so we've blocked off part of the month. So you're gonna have months where there's rentals and months where there's not. And I'm working on, you know, marketing it some more and seeing if we can get that even better, even get more renters in here. But yeah, it's pretty interesting, and it's always been kind of like my dream to have a house down here, and this is a pretty cool way to do it. So anyways, guys, I will see you in another video. Like I said, maybe I'll make another video coming soon on why I've been away from YouTube for so long, tell you what I've been working on, what I've been up to. But yeah, I mean, now I'm probably just going to chill out in Florida. So anyways, guys, we'll see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.